So my first trade today was on NVDA this morning. So NVIDIA opened kind of weak, sold off right before the market opened. And then it tried to reclaim that 612 level. It rejected pre-market low pretty hard. So now it's looking to get in around 611, considering that's past the 20 on the 5-minute and above the moving averages on the 2-minute chart. But I waited too long because it just kind of went, and I kind of chased it here. I added 100 shares around pre-market high. Around this area is also where all-time high is, so there aren't really any more levels up there. As you can see, it held pre-market high, and then this blue line up here, that's going to be yesterday's high. So I take out 50 just because this candle's pretty overextended, and it's my first trade, so I don't want to dig myself in a hole. This red line up here, that's all-time high. So once it crosses that, probably a lot of people probably jumped in, so it just ripped through that level. And here it's my first trade, so I know not to get greedy. So I just look to get out. Let's just get some cushion for my next trades to come. So there, after that hesitation, I just get out fully. My second trade was on plug. Well, I didn't take this one. It looked good. It looked like an ABC pattern. A, B, C, and hopefully it would go up here to D, but it ended up rejecting, which was a bit weird because plug trades in sympathy of Tesla, and Tesla went up. And then here, this was a really nice A, B, C, D pattern. As you can see, this was A, B, and then C right here. Ideally, you want to go in close to the 9 EMA, but it's kind of sketchy to go in just because there's a red candle right here. So then I ended up going in with a small position here. And then my plan was to add at the break of 620. But realistically, I should have waited for the break of this high up here, which was high of all time now on this wick. And the reason you wait is because until you get the break, it kind of, people don't really want to jump in yet. They want to get that break. And also this big order down here, someone's trying to buy, what is that, 10,000 shares or 1,000 shares? That kind of scared me, so I was kind of still holding that 50 share position. I don't want to add yet. Then here it held 219 and it starts going green. So as soon as it starts crosses against 620, I add 100 more shares. And it starts hesitating. It doesn't really want to take that high on the previous candle. So I'm looking for the break of 2050 here on the level 2, and then there's the break. But it rejects, so this is why you gotta stick to your plan, because here if you freak out, you take a small loss. I would have taken out my profits for the morning. But I stuck to the plan. I mean, this looked like a solid ABC, and it's holding above 618. And as you can see, volume down here on the 2-minute chart starts coming in. You see how it starts coming in, and then it starts going. And since this is like all-time high now, there's really no levels up there. So I just start scaling out as soon as I see some profits. Usually these stocks move in like $1 intervals. So I see didn't really want to go break 622, so I took some more out. And with 50 shares, it's not that bad anymore. If it comes below, if this candle goes red, then I'm going to cut it. But luckily, it kept going up. And it breaks 622. But as you can see here, it's it's hesitating on 622 and it falls below to 621. So I get the last 50 shares out and I call it a day.